In this lesson, we're going to learn what pronouns are and why we need to use them. So I have a simple definition here that I've created for you. So pronouns are words that replace nouns. They go in the place of nouns, so we do not have to repeat the same person, place, thing, or group again and again, over and over. So pronouns make sentences sound more natural and less repetitive. Let me give you an example here so that you can see why it can be a bit annoying if you don't use pronouns. So let's look at this example. All right, let me move this up. So let's look at this example without pronouns. So Maria brought Maria's book to school because Maria needed Maria's book for class. So you see the repetition of Maria is kind of, I would probably call it annoying, to keep hearing the same thing over and over again. Naturally, as humans, we don't want to keep hearing the same thing over and over again. So we create pronouns to get rid of that repetition. So there are many different types of pronouns. I'll be creating different videos about different pronouns, but in this video I just want to focus on why we use pronouns. And you can see in this example it's the repetition. We want to get rid of that repetition. So there are many different types of pronouns like I, you, he, she, them, and so on. But I'll be creating videos for those later on. So let's look at how it's much better to get rid of that repetition with this example. So Maria brought her book to school because she needed it. So you see here we're getting rid of the repetition of Maria and we're using the pronouns. So that's the basic reason as to why we need pronouns and we use pronouns. I don't want to drag on with this video with too many more examples, but I think you get the point. So pronouns are there to replace nouns and avoid repetition of the same person, place, thing, or group. Let me give you maybe just a quick quiz. See if you can, I know we haven't learned pronouns yet, but let's see if you can maybe figure out how to make this less repetitive. So let's say Tom likes Tom's dog. So take a second, how would you rewrite this so that there's less repetition? So if you pause the video, let me give you the answer. So you would say Tom likes his dog. So this is a possessive pronoun, so it's showing that that's his dog, he owns that dog. So that's a good example. I'll be creating more videos on pronouns, so don't worry. Just remember, in this video what you're learning is why we need pronouns. What are pronouns? So pronouns are there to replace nouns, so we avoid repeating the same person, place, thing, or group again and again over. So if this was helpful to you, helped you understand what pronouns are and why we need to use them, please like the video, subscribe, and share.